Every second, the world around you is performing miracles so ordinary you barely notice them. Leaves are turning sunlight into life, oceans are singing, and lightning is charging the planet's heartbeat. Even a cat falling from a table is a masterpiece of physics. Welcome to the secret world beneath what you see. This is how nature works. Let's start with the engine of all life, photosynthesis. Every green leaf you see is a microscopic factory powered by sunlight. Inside it are tiny solar panels called chloroplasts, where light energy splits water, steals carbon from the air, and turns it all into glucose, food for the plant. And what's the side effect of this process? Oxygen. So yes, every breath you take is a thank you note to plants. The planet runs on solar power. Photosynthesis, nature's ultimate life hack. Now let's go underground, where the planet breathes in tremors. Earth's crust isn't one solid block, it's made of tectonic plates floating on molten rock. They move slowly like tired giants, but when they grind or lock together, tension builds. Then one day, snap. That stored energy rips free as seismic waves, shaking everything above. The shaking we feel in seconds took centuries to prepare. Earthquakes are the sound of the planet stretching. Up above, a storm brews an electric symphony. Inside a thundercloud, tiny ice crystals collide, separating positive and negative charges. When the charge difference becomes too big to handle, the air splits. Invisible tendrils of electricity race downward. And one powerful bolt connects sky to earth. That's lightning, a flash that powers thunder and recharges the atmosphere. It's not chaos. It's Earth balancing its electrical budget in style. Next stop, the Sky Highway. Birds travel thousands of kilometers every year with no map, no Wi-Fi, and no GPS. So how do they know where to go? They use a built-in navigation system that combines the sun, stars, and even the planet's magnetic field. Some species literally see magnetism thanks to special proteins in their eyes. Others memorize coastlines and even scents. So when you see that perfect V formation in the sky, you're watching a living compass at work. Gravity versus cat. Guess who wins almost every time? Cats have something called the righting reflex, an automatic balancing act that starts the moment they fall. Their inner ear tells them which way is up, their spine twists midair, and their tail acts as a counterweight. It's not magic, it's pure physics and flexibility. So next time your cat sticks the landing, remember, they're tiny acrobats born with built-in gyroscopes. Now dive deep, way deeper. In the ocean's darkness, whales send songs across thousands of kilometers. Their low-frequency calls travel through water better than sound through air. Each song carries emotion, information, even identity. Blue whales can send messages that circle entire ocean basins. It's communication on a planetary scale. Proof that the ocean has its own internet powered by sound. Down where waves break and sunlight fades, reefs rise like underwater cities. But they're not made of stone, they're alive. Each coral is a colony of tiny animals called polyps, living with algae roommates who feed them through photosynthesis. But when the ocean gets too hot or acidic, the algae leave and the coral turns white. That's bleaching, and it's spreading fast. If reefs die, 1/4 of all marine species lose their homes. Saving coral isn't just about beauty, it's about keeping the ocean breathing. In the deep ocean, where sunlight never reaches, life makes its own light. Bioluminescence is chemistry that glows. An enzyme called luciferase reacts with a molecule called luciferin, releasing light without heat. Creatures use it to hunt, hide, or flirt. It's communication written in photons. The deep sea isn't dark, it's alive with light shows no human eyes were meant to see. Back on land, something sweet is happening. Bees visit millions of flowers, collecting nectar, nature's raw sugar. They store it in a special honey stomach, then pass it mouth to mouth to their sisters. Inside the hive, they fan their wings to dry it, turning nectar into thick, golden honey. One jar equals 2 million flowers worth of teamwork. Bees don't just make honey, they build balance. Ever try to chase a rainbow? Here's the secret: it's not there. When sunlight hits raindrops, each droplet splits light into colors. The rainbow you see depends on your exact position. Move an inch and your rainbow moves too. So you can never reach it because it only exists in your eyes. A perfect reminder: sometimes the most beautiful things aren't meant to be caught, only seen. From the spark of lightning to the hum of a whale's song, every force in nature is connected, energy flowing from the sun, through leaves, oceans, and even you. The planet isn't random, it's a living machine made of miracles. And the more you understand it, the more magical it becomes. If you love learning how everything really works, hit that subscribe button and stay curious.